Hi, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Bonding Pips. So in order to withdraw from the Bonding Pips, they actually give you a new option or the new protocol on how to do this. So they have a new payout system, which is a Tuesday payday. So they have a shift from traditional 14-day payout frequency since they give you an innovative 5 trading day payout cycle. So using this, the funded traders are given a weekly payout cycle, and for the years to come, it will be done, and this will actually help significantly reduce costs compared to other leading firms. So as you can see, master account started on Monday can request on Tuesday, while started on the Tuesday can be requested on Tuesday, which is the same day. So if the master account started on Wednesday, this can be requested on Tuesday after 4 trading days. This means that the payout schedule can range from the same day to 4 trading days depending on when you actually withdraw it. So this is actually a new chapter for the bonding FIPS that can help hasten all of the withdrawal process that has been done. So that's how you withdraw from bonding FIPS. Hope we helped.